In 1932, the Australian military declared war on emus, and they lost. After World War I, 20,000 emus invaded Western Australia's wheat farms, destroying crops worth thousands. Desperate farmers asked the military for help. The government sent soldiers with machine guns. Major Meredith led the operation with 2 soldiers and 10,000 rounds of ammunition against 20,000 emus. The emus scattered at gunfire. They were too fast, too unpredictable. They won every engagement. After 1 week, they'd fired 9,860 rounds. Only 50 emus were killed. Comment: did you know this? The newspapers mocked them relentlessly. Military defeated by emus made global headlines. Major Meredith requested to withdraw. The military admitted defeat and pulled out November 1932. The government eventually paid farmers bounties for each emu killed instead. Democracy defeated. Australia lost a war to birds. Let that sink in. Nature always wins.